Greetings from St. Croix.
Hello everyone. We've heard so many times, I just want a little fixer-upper. That means different things to different people. So when we hear that, we start asking questions about what it is that they want and how much of the work that they intend to do themselves.
These kind of questions help buyers think through what appear to be very simple questions. An almost perfect home. Do you want to just change the paint? Perhaps put new drawer pulls on the cabinetry, new plumbing fixtures. These are fairly simple projects that can be done with a minimum of disruption. Some of them can be done in a day, and you can be living in the house at the same time. This is the easiest type of remodel.
Then there's update. This means it needs a little more work. Perhaps the kitchen needs to be redone, or the light fixtures changed, or a bathroom remodel. This will take a little more time, and you'll probably be hiring professionals to help you with it.
And they'll become your next best friends. The next category is the house needs to be gutted. You love the bones, you love the location, you love the view, but everything inside the house has to go. This is a major project. Unless you can do a lot of the work, you'll be hiring contractors for all the different systems that need to be replaced. You'll get to know them very well as well, but this way you'll be able to make the home your own.
The last category is the property needs a lot of work. I mean, a lot of work. There are properties on St. Croix that have been abandoned and vacant for years, or that have been damaged in storms. They may only have 4 walls standing, and there may be a roof, but the roof may need to be taken off and replaced. This kind of project is going to take 6 months, a year, or more, and those professionals are going to be your new best friends. It's going to take a long time.
But when you're done, you're going to have a home that's exactly what you want. These 4 different categories all fall under the fixer-upper category. But as you can see, they're all completely different. Being able to give us as much information as possible will help us be able to find you a home that meets your criteria and that is a project that you want to take on. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.